who is a lyricist and also some of the best lyricists in Jamaica. Figure of speech, the most common ones, because there are so many, but the common ones that are used in song. You have the simile, the metaphor, personification, pun, alliteration, metonymy, euphemism, oxymoron, synecdoche, irony, and double entendre. Yes, man. I think Vybz Kartel used this thing here. And I tell you, it took me a while to understand what he was start. What is under my nose? And he go like this. And you hear say, I'm out. But let me tell you something. It took me so long. When me hear you first you say, so what kind of foolish is Vybz Kartel talk about? Under my nose, I'm out. And I'm out. I couldn't make the connection. But it's after a while I realized it's I'm out, which I am O-U-T, out. Meaning I'm gone. And then the next one is I'm out, which is a Jamaican. You say I'm out. Anyway, I don't want to mix it up too much.
Go to Bars Beats on YouTube for full video.